Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Teacher V, and today we are going to learn 10 super useful phrasal verbs that will make your English sound more natural and fluent. So, if you want to speak like a pro, stick around. What exactly is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is just a combination of a verb and a preposition. These little guys are essential because native speakers use them all the time in everyday conversations. It's like secret code for sounding natural in English. Let's break down 10 phrasal verbs you can start using today. Ready? Catch up. To talk about the latest news or progress. I need to catch up with my friend. We haven't talked in weeks. Number 2. Pick up. Pick up means to learn something or grab something. I'm trying to pick up Spanish before my trip to Mexico. Number 3. Turn up. Turn up means to arrive or appear, often unexpectedly. I didn't expect Sarah to turn up at the party. Number 4. Give up. Give up means to stop trying or to quit. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep going. Don't give up on this video. Keep watching. Number 5. Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited about something in the future. I'm really looking forward to the concert next week. How about you? What are you looking forward to? Number 6. Hang out. Hang out means to spend time with friends or to relax. Let's hang out this weekend. I'm free on Saturday. Number 7. Run into. Run into means to meet someone by chance. I ran into my old friend at the mall yesterday. Number 8. Take off. Take off can have two meanings, so to become successful or to leave when we are talking about a plane. So we can say her career really took off after that big promotion, or the plane took off at 5. Set up. Set up means to arrange or prepare something. I need to set up my new phone before I can start using it. Number 10. Bring up. It means to mention or introduce a topic. Don't bring up politics at the dinner table, it always gets heated. Okay, now it's your turn. In the comments below, try to use one of the phrasal verbs we learned today in a sentence. I'll be reading your responses and giving feedback. Let's see if you can use them like a native speaker. Before I go, here's a bonus tip. Don't stress about getting every phrasal verb perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So keep using these in real conversations and you'll see improvement in no time. Also, check out the description for more videos on phrasal verbs and speaking tips. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching!